Hey guys, it's Joy and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a little different from what I usually post. I have a lot of clothes, like a lot, and it's a problem. So when you have a lot of clothes, you find yourself in that well-known problem, a closet full of clothes and nothing to wear. Today I'm going to teach you guys how I choose to keep or not keep my clothes and how to choose whether to sell or donate them. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. A lot of the videos I was watching on like closet purges was using the KonMari method, which is like holding the piece of clothing, and if it sparks joy inside you, then you keep it. I'm gonna open my closet now, and when I open my closet, you are going to be shocked at the amount of clothes I have. I have so many clothes that they're not hung up, they're not in drawers, they're just there in piles. And it's really gross. It literally looks like an episode of Hoarders out in there. Like I literally have a sock right there, like hanging outside of my closet. So let's open it up, grab a pile, and start deciding what I want to keep and what I don't want to keep. I'm so sorry for the lighting fluctuation, but I don't have any professional lighting and the light in my room washes me out, so I just have to use sunlight. Anyways, so this is my closet. It's so bad. So now that I have a pile full of clothes on my floor, you can see it through the mirror, I'm gonna take an IKEA bag and put everything I want in this IKEA bag. So I can put it in the laundry because I'm just gonna wash everything regardless if it's clean or not. And anything I don't want, I'm not gonna put in an IKEA bag. I use IKEA bags because at our apartment building, our laundry facilities aren't that good, so we go to laundromats. We meaning me and my mom. So I'm not gonna use the KonMari method because I think that's total BS. Literally, almost all my clothes make me happy, so I would just end up keeping them. So I'm gonna not use the emotional side of keeping stuff. If it works for you, go ahead, do that, but it doesn't work for me. So I'm gonna go through the more logical side of it. Like, does it still fit? Will I wear it in 3 months, or have I worn it in the past 3 months? And can I think of at least 3 other items in my closet that I can wear this with? And the last rule, once I put it in the donate pile or giveaway pile, I do not take it out. If I find a shirt that's like, oh, this could go with that skirt, I don't take it out because that literally could be my whole closet. Once it's done, it's done. So, for example, this skirt, it's super cute. I love it a lot. Like, look at it. Like, is that not cute? But I haven't worn it in 3 months, and I probably won't because I only have one shirt that goes with this, and it's a long sleeve, and it's gonna get hot in 3 months, so I can't be wearing long sleeves in March. Yeah, anyways, I live in California. It's really hot here sometimes. So unfortunately, this goes in the giveaway pile. Oh no, these don't fit me. So unfortunately, I love these camo shorts. I went through a whole camo phase. Like, I love these shorts, but I have to give them away. So I'm gonna go through the rest of my things and choose whether or not I want it, and then I'm gonna take out another pile and just bust through this closet. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose whether or not to sell something or donate it. And the way I do that is by brand, wear, and if it's like still a thing, like if it's still a trend or whatever. So for example, this skirt, super cute embroidery. I've only worn it like once, and I believe like the button-down skirts are still a thing. So I'm gonna choose to sell this. I got it for like $45 at PacSun, and it's really cute, but I just never wear it. Another example of something is this shirt from Brandy. It's super cute, super simple. It has a little fuzzies on that, but I can easily take the fuzzies off and it'd still be good as new. Example of something I wouldn't sell is this Brandy top. It used to be a tube top, and then I shrunk it like really bad There's a makeup stain on it right here. Like, I don't know if you can see it. Like, there's a makeup stain and it's just in really, really bad shape. The hem is coming off. So this is a donate, and hopefully someone can thrift flip it or whatever they call it. It doesn't matter how good the brand is or how on trend it is. If it's bad wear and tear, I won't sell it, like, regardless. So I'm gonna go through this whole pile of things I don't want and choose whether or not to sell them or to donate them. So here we go. So I'm done choosing what I want to sell and what I want to donate, and I think I donated a lot more than I sold, like 3 whole trash bags full of clothes, which is pretty good for me. Like, before I used to only get like half a trash bag, and now it's like 3, so this is a big step for me. Yeah, now I'm gonna go to the laundromat, wash the clothes that I decided to keep. So I just finished my laundry, and now I'm going to put it on like hangers and in my drawers and stuff. So let's do that, I guess. Okay. I'm done, and I literally thought it was like maybe 11:30, could be 12-ish, but it's literally 1 in the morning. I spent all day going through all my clothes, deciding what I wanted and what I didn't want, and then I spent like 5 episodes of Sex and the City, like folding and putting everything away. So you guys saw how my closet looked before, and this is how it looks now. I've just hung up everything that I've been wearing consistently on my hangers. I don't have any like specific hangers because like there's no point. Like I don't know, and I didn't organize it in any specific manner because I just feel like it's kind of a waste of time. I love every piece of clothing I wear, so I won't have to like go digging through stuff. But I also have 2 dressers like this, one for like bottoms and one for tops, and each of them are organized like this. So super comfy clothes that I could wear out. Clothes I would wear every day to school. So for bottoms it'd be like jeans, and then for tops it'd be like cuter tops. And then on the bottom right here is super, super bummy clothes that I would not imagine wearing to school or anywhere else for that matter. But yeah, and guys, I literally got rid of so many clothes that I don't have enough clothes anymore to put in those 2 dressers. I don't know if you can see it, but those 2 dressers, like I have no clothes that I can fit in there anymore. So I'd say that's an improvement. Yeah, I don't know what else to say. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this, please give it a thumbs up because I had so much fun making it. Let me know what you thought about it in the comment section below. And if you like this video and want to see more of me, please subscribe because I'm starting to I'm trying to start uploading more consistently. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. Bye.